Hey there, how's it going? Welcome to another video on Python programming in Learn with RK. Before I begin, I would like all of you to kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. In today's video series, I'm going to talk about how to create a module. What exactly is a module? Module is just a Python script. For example, all of these things which I have created as a .py file, they can be imported. And importing a module through the terminal usually would throw an error. So I will show you that how exactly do we do it. The important point to remember is this, that if I have to import any module, that Python script, it should be present either in the directory where we are working or in the site packages and the lib folder. Generally, we install the packages such as NumPy and Pandas, and those third-party modules, they will be inside the packages. And along with that, the vanilla installation module will be in the lib. For example, here I'm declaring a very simple function which takes in a parameter example, and this is a parameter here, right? And I'm simply going to print the data. Right. Now, what do we need to do here? Right. Now, I cannot import the module like this because here, yeah, the Python, it is only considering this as a file here. Right. So there's a way to differentiate if I'm executing a script as a Python file or as a module, which I will show later. Right. But to import a module, what do we need to do? We have to either open any kind of terminal, either the Python interpreter, Python shell, or IPython, and then go here and simply write example mod. Now we can call in the function which are present inside of those modules. For example, this is the right. So, and I'm simply going to print out a message here like test, and this is going to print that out. So this is how we work with the modules here. As I already have mentioned, that any Python file that can be imported as a module. So what I can do, we can import the class from the module here from calc import calculator, right? And as you can see, now I can call in the different methods which are present inside the calculator class, for example, the addition, and it takes in two parameters here. So this is the purpose of using the modules. We can call in the different methods which are present inside a Python script. So that gives us more flexibility if I'm looking to use for a particular method here. For example, we have this built-in modules which we can import the random, and then I can use it to create something like random.random or within a range. So we can generate a list of the random numbers here, right? Random, yeah. So rand range, for example, I actually would like to create. Okay, so this is giving me a random number within a range from 1 to 10. So that is generating it as 2 here, right? And similarly, what we can do, these are the different methods of the random numbers. As you can see, we can generate a random cost number. This will create a random integer, right? And this, yeah, so these are the different methods. As you can see, that is the purpose of using the modules here. Thank you for listening and watching. Have a nice day.